In this video, we're going to talk about direct variation, and we'll give a few examples. So, say y varies directly with x. What does that mean? Okay, mathematically, that means y equals k times x. All right, where this k, that's called the constant of variation or the constant of proportionality. So you might hear it referred to as those things. So let's go ahead and let's do an example. Suppose y varies directly as x. If y equals 10 when x equals 15, find y when x equals 3. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll write, so y varies directly as x, so we'll write y equals k times x. I don't know what k is. So I'm going to go ahead and use this first piece of information, the 10 and the 15. I'm going to plug that in. And I'm going to solve for k. So divide both sides by 5. I'll get 2 equals k. Alright, so then I have y equals 2x. That's the relationship between x and y. So let's go ahead and plug in x equals 3 and figure out what y is. So y equals 2 times 3, which is 6. So it said find y when x equals 3. That's what we found, y equals 6. Let's go ahead and do another example. So if y varies directly as the cube root of x, or the cube of x, varies directly as the cube of x. So that's a little different, but same idea. We're still varying directly. All right, and then it says, and y equals 16 when x equals 2, find y when x equals 3. Okay, so our equation now is not just y equals k times x, but y equals k times x to the third, right? That's what it means to be the cube of x. Okay, so y equals x to the third. So now let's go ahead and follow the same other steps. So plug in the first point to find what k is. So this was 16 kx cubed. Oh, I shouldn't have written x. I should have plugged in 2. 2 cubed. 16 equals k. What's 2 cubed? 8. Divide both sides by 8. You get 2 equals k. All right? So the relationship between x and y is this equation I just wrote. And now let's go ahead and find what y equals when x equals 3. Okay, plug in 3. The 3 to the third power, or 3 cubed, is 27. And 27 times 2 is 54. So that's our answer. Y equals 54.